we need to up to date features.py. Let up to date the features.py. Let copy this code and paste it here. Let's see. Now this time I am going to run the code. Let's see. This is a real data set cell code. Now I am going to run the next code. Let's see. Okay, it easily run. Okay, now this time we run this pipeline code. This pipeline code also a train model code. Let's see it run or not. Okay, we again have a error. Let's solve this error. We need to go. Um, we need to first copy this error and then go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT easily solve it. If we uh, correct guide the ChatGPT, let's see what it answer. Okay, there is the root case error. Let's see how we can solve this error. We need to up to date train model cell code. Let's copy this code and paste it here. I paste. Okay, let's run this. Let's see. Okay, it's running. No, we have a error again. Let's copy this error and go to ChatGPT again. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Key error. Okay, let I think this time it solve it, but no, it again gives me the error. I am trying to solve this error by using GitHub Copilot. Let's see it solve or not. It working, but it taking time. Okay, it solve. Let's see it again give me the error. Okay, now this time maybe it solve the error. It working now. Okay, okay, okay. It work. Okay, it solve the error. Let's see run the next codes. But we have a error. Let's solve this error. Okay, this oh this time another error. Let's ask Copilot. I think it's solved. No, 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 it's not solving. Again we have a path error. I also create the folder. Let's see now this time. I think it work. I create the model folder. I think this time it work. I also make a folder but it not working. Let's see this time maybe Copilot solve this error. Okay, it write a code. Accept this. I accept, but it not working. There is a some error. Let's run the cell. Okay, cell is run. Now model is here. Model is here. Okay, model is here. No, model is outside from the app folder. We need to delete this folder. Okay, we need I cut and paste the folder in the app folder. Okay, but This is not removing from there. I think there is a glitch or error. Let's leave it. And now we need to activate the Conda environment of Streamlit. I am seeing the I am seeing folder path is correct or not. I think the folder path is correct. Just we need to run the but I think let's activate. First we need to deactivate this environment and then we need to activate. Now I am activating the environment of Streamlit. Let's see. Okay, it activate. And we need to now we need a code to run this app, so I am searching the code in this chat. I found it and run it. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video. And thanks for watching. Okay, it's running. Oh, we again have a error. Let's solve this error. Building apps with the help of AI, it has always be difficult, but I always solve it easily. Let's see now this time we solve or not. We have a error in the features.py. This file making problem. You see also in the video, it make a problem. Now this time I think it work. Let's activate the environment and we need to set the path here. Okay, now this time we need to run the uh, this app with the help of this code. Okay, it running. Okay, it run. Oh, yes, this time it work. Yes, this time it work. But again we have a error. No problem. We always solve the every error. Now this time we solve also this error. This is XYZ error in the code, in the feature code. The threshold keyword is casing this problem. I think we will have to remove it. Then it will be work. But I also changed the code of this app. We need to stop this app and again restart this app. No. It again making, but this time it another problem. I mean it this time another error. We also solve it. Let's see. But again we have a TX error. Wow. I think the build function this making the problem. Let's copy this code and request to the ChatGPT they solve this code. Let's see. It give me the new code. We need to replace the old code. I solved the previous error, but we have still errors. Now I am leaving these are errors for you. If you saying I am a professional problem solving person, then it will be opportunity for you to improve your skills. So solve it and also tag me on LinkedIn. Okay, why I am leaving these errors? Because I am not a time to solve these all problems, because we need to move next. If you must have noticed that my confidence was high in my first video and low in next videos. This is because I had forgotten some things and the videos were very long. So I shorted them and show them to you at a faster speed if you noticed it. Always first I record the video, then I do the voiceover, then I show it to you. Okay, so thanks for watching and we will meet again. Bye bye.